trails in your neighborhood. So we're on the PCT. It goes right through our neighborhood. We got the 10 freeway right behind us. Mount San Jacinto in the background, snow. So we're gonna do a small section, probably about 2 miles. We hiked to the trailhead, which is about a mile from the house. So we're getting close to the end of our little hike, and we're going to get the cottonwood trailhead. Once we reach there, we'll be heading back home. Probably a couple miles so far today. It's a nice little lockdown hike. Staying in our neighborhood, as you can see. The neighborhood's behind me. Check this out. We're rocking like a 25-year-old CAMELBAK today. Okay, we are heading up to the Cottonwood trailhead. And then from there, we're just going to hike down the access road back home. We got Christy and Susan behind me, San Jacinto in the background. The wind has died down a little bit. So what's nice about having the PCT go through your neighborhood is that now I can get out and just hike this little section every day if I wanted to. Okay guys, here is the trailhead. PCT of Cottonwood Canyon is right up that way. The beginning of C section is right up that canyon. So guys, we're leaving the Cottonwood Trail. We're heading home now. Home's right down there. But we do have PCT does go up that canyon there. This is a access road. You've seen this in a couple of my videos. This is the road that I hike up going to Mission Creek for our Christmas meetup. But if it happens this year, I'm gonna add these 2 miles to the Cottonwood trailhead from the freeway. That'll probably make it close to a 20-mile hike. And Christina might be with me this year. Maybe. Feet. So guys, we're just about to finish our hike. And about 4 miles in today. We're just down the street from home. Enjoy the hike?
Yes, we did, very much so.
I think we got about 3 miles, maybe 4 miles in. I will check that. Okay guys, we're back on my street. It's not the greatest street, but we're home. Very good hike. If you guys like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe out there. We'll all get through this.